Yoga is so popular now. Many people love it. Stretching is great too. These things make you feel good. They help your body and mind. Lots of people want to lose belly fat. It can be hard. But yoga and stretching can help. They are gentle ways to work your body. They make you strong and flexible. This is a good start. You can feel and look better. It is a journey, a happy journey. Many people try hard diets and tough exercises. Sometimes these things do not work, or they are too hard to keep doing. Yoga and stretching are different. They are kind to your body. You can do them every day. You do not need special things. Just a little space and your own body. This makes it easy to start and continue. Think about feeling lighter and more energetic. This can be you. It is all about gentle movement. The benefits are big, not just for your belly, but for your whole self. When you stretch, your muscles wake up. When you do yoga, you breathe deep. This helps your body work better. It can help you lose that stubborn belly fat. It is not magic. It is just moving your body with love and care. How does yoga help with belly fat? It works in many ways. Some yoga poses make your core strong. Your core is your tummy muscles. When these muscles are strong, they hold you better. This can make your belly look flatter. Yoga also helps your body burn calories, not like running fast, but in a steady, gentle way. Over time, this helps. It also helps your digestion. Good digestion means less bloating. Less bloating means a flatter tummy. It all works together. Stretching is also very important. When you stretch, you make space in your body. This helps your blood flow better. Good blood flow helps everything. It helps your organs work well. It helps carry away waste. Some stretches gently twist your middle. These twists are like a massage for your insides. They can help your digestion. They can help reduce bloating. Think of it like wringing out a cloth. You are gently cleansing your body. This feels so good. Let's start with some easy moves. You can do these today. First, try the cat-cow stretch. Get on your hands and knees like a table. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Breathe in. Drop your belly down. Look up a little. This is cow pose. Feel the stretch in your tummy. Then breathe out. Round your back up. Like an angry cat. Drop your head down. This is cat pose. Do this slowly, 5 to 10 times. It wakes up your spine. It gently works your core. Next, try a simple twist. Sit on the floor, legs crossed or straight out. Sit tall. Put your right hand on your left knee. Put your left hand on the floor behind you. Breathe in, sit taller. Breathe out, gently twist to the left. Look over your left shoulder. Hold for a few breaths. Do not push too hard. Then slowly come back to the center. Do the other side. Section 4. Feel good inside. The mind benefits of moving. Yoga and stretching are not just for your body, they are amazing for your mind. When you move and breathe, you feel calmer. Life can be busy and stressful. These practices give you a break, a moment for yourself. When you focus on your breath, your worries can fade. This piece is so important. It helps you feel lighter inside. It helps you cope with daily stress. A calm mind is a happy mind. These gentle movements help you connect with yourself. You pay attention to your body, you notice how you feel. This is called mindfulness. Being mindful means being present, just being here now. Section 5. Start now, shine brighter, a healthier you awaits. So why wait? You can start today, right now. You do not need anything special. Just a little space and a willingness to try. Remember Sarah? She was a friend of mine. She always felt tired. She worried about her tummy. She started with just 10 minutes of stretching every morning. At first it was a little hard, but she kept going. Soon she felt more energy. She started to do simple yoga poses. She felt stronger. Her clothes started to fit better. The key is to be consistent. Daily practice is best, even if it is just for 15 minutes. Little by little you will see changes. Your body will feel different. Your mind will feel calmer. You might notice your belly getting a little flatter. This is not a quick fix. It is a lifestyle, a way of living that is kind to your body, a way of living that makes you feel good. Think of it as planting a seed. You water it every day and slowly it grows into something beautiful. Imagine yourself feeling more energetic. Imagine feeling more peaceful. Imagine feeling proud of your body. This is possible. Yoga and stretching are tools. Tools to help you build a healthier life. They help you connect your mind and body. This connection is powerful.